Hi and welcome. My name is Sarah. I am a bridal stylist expert and I've been in the industry for 6 years now. I absolutely love helping brides find their perfect style for their wedding day. If this sounds like something you're interested in learning more about and being a part of your community, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell for every single Wednesday when we send out our Wedding Wednesday videos. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Number one is to make sure you research early and widely. This means that you make sure you're doing your research as early as possible to make sure the venue that you want is available for your wedding day. This is something that you can obviously do virtual. Wedding Wire and The Knot are great places to start, as well as Instagram, TikTok, and Google. These are all places that will help you find your perfect destination wedding venue, but also make sure that you find a place that fits your guys' style and what you're wanting for your wedding day. Number two is to create a short list. If you're the one doing most of the planning, make sure you narrow it down to a couple different venues. So this way you can start calling venues, scheduling trials and appointments, and making sure that you have a venue that both you and your partner both love and agree on. Number three is to make sure you determine availability. Are you available to go see the wedding venue, or do you need to schedule a virtual consultation, a virtual walkthrough with the venue individual, and making sure that you can still see the venue without having to go in person? Or do you have enough time to be able to go travel out there to where you're getting married and research a few different venues in the area? Number five is to consider the logistics of the area. Are there things such as travel from one place to the next that are going to be a factor into the people that are attending the wedding? Are there different rules and regulations that you need to abide by? Different logistics as far as timing goes, things like that are great to consider when finding your perfect venue. And number six definitely correlates in what we talked to you a little bit about in the beginning of the video, and that is to make sure you schedule a trial or a visit with the venue. Once again, this is something if you're not able to do in person, that you can definitely opt in for a virtual video chat or video call with the venue, so you can go walk through it and see it, especially if you are planning a wedding far out, maybe in a year. Make sure you do that video call during the time. So if you're getting married in March of next year, try and plan it for March of this year, so that way you can see what your venue looks like in the month that you're getting married out there and see it compared to when they took photos online. Number seven is securing the date of your wedding day for your perfect venue. If you found a venue and you definitely want to book it, don't hesitate in waiting. It may be booked out for your wedding day, especially if you are on a weekend. That is something to consider to make sure you book it, and don't hesitate. Number eight, now that you've found your perfect venue, make sure you coordinate with your wedding planner so they know exactly where your venue is and can finalize certain details such as floral arrangements, seating charts, and different things like that, so you can have the perfect wedding day. And number nine is to make sure you stay flexible and open-minded to different things. Sometimes venues do have remodeling and renovations going on, so consider that something may be there that might not be there when you book the wedding day, and make sure you consider that in also asking your wedding vendor if there's things like this that are going on at the venue. And that concludes our video for today. Is there anything that you have questions on or things that I didn't address? Make sure you put them in the comments below. I would love to help you find the perfect venue for your wedding day, and if you need some suggestions, I would love to help send them your way as well. So make sure you comment all of those things in the comments below. And as always, I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.